Hello children, I hope you all are enjoying our digital classes. I am Mrs. Anjali Khandekar, your maths teacher. So let's learn maths with fun. In previous class, we had learned the concept of less time, more time. Now today we are going to learn a new concept, what is next. Your textbooks, page number 73. Children, we do so many activities in our daily life. So, the activities have a sequence or a proper order. For example, look at this picture. In this picture, a boy is brushing his teeth, having breakfast, having a bath, putting his shoes on, woke up on time. Now we have to arrange these activities in proper order. That what comes first and what comes next. So tell me, what comes first? Yes, the boy woke up on time. Then what comes next after you get up in morning? What do you do first? Yes, good. You brush your teeth. So, the next activity is the boy is brushing his teeth. After brushing your teeth, what do you do? Yes, you have a bath. So, the third activity is boy is having a bath. Then fourth activity is having breakfast. Then you put on your shoes to go to school. Correct? So, this is the proper order of the activities. Understood? Now, take out your textbooks, page number 73. What is next? Observe the picture, write proper order of activities. Now question number 1 is done for us. In this picture, the boy is washing an apple, eating an apple and cutting an apple. Then tell me, what is the correct order of the activities? Yes, correct. First the boy is washing an apple, then he is cutting the apple, and the third is he is eating the apple. Now question number 2. In this picture, a boy came home from school. Then the boy is sleeping and then he is playing football. Now we have to arrange the activities in proper order. So tell me, what comes first? Yes, correct. First, the boy came home from school. Then second, the boy is playing football. And the third activity is that he is sleeping. Now question number 3. In this picture, milk is boiling. A boy is drinking milk. And the mother is pouring milk in a cup. So, what is the correct order? Yes, first we boil the milk. Then second, the mother is pouring milk in a cup. And the third, the boy is drinking the milk. So, what did we learn today? Today we learned that every activity has its proper order. Like, first we wear socks and then we wear shoes. I think your concept is clear. Now today's homework. Today's homework is complete page number 73 in your maths textbook and in your maths notebook. So, we will come with the new concept in the next class. Till then, bye-bye. Have a nice day. Stay healthy, stay safe, and most important, stay at your home.